I'm going to frog this because I don't like it's too much white, so I'm going to take all the white back and then just use greens, I think, to make a poncho with instead of the white. So it's going to be a long journey, and I want to try and keep as much of the white that I possibly can. So where I'd started at the bottom, silly me, I maybe should have started at the top. Right, wish me luck. Nearly there. Now I've set it out in the colours. I can't decide whether I want a jumper or a waistcoat with a black outline. I think I'm going to go with the waistcoat. I've crocheted these 4 together and I'm going to go around the outside of the 4. So that's it with the extra round. Now I'm going to flip over and leave maybe a square and a half opening, and I'm gonna, so I've sewn up them sides and it's quite long.